Hello and welcome to this episode of how to change your cursor. I will be linking this document in the description, and these are a bunch of lists that includes uh, cursor packs from different places. Like this is Posy's. I used to like this, but this one here is a open source one. This is Mac OS cursor for Windows. I'm gonna use this one. So go there, click that, then select the Windows zip version. Download it, and we're gonna head over to the download directory and unzip that zipped file that I've just downloaded. I'm using 7-zip. You can use the uh, default extractor that comes with Windows. Okay, I like the extra large one. Now look for install.inf. Right click on it and then click install. This is the user administration. Okay, then click OK. Select yes, and as you can see, the cursor has changed slightly. You won't notice it right now. As you can see, the link select cursor is now similar to macOS. So here's a bunch of right here. Let's go another one. Get in. Okay, you will have to create an account in deviantart.com to download this. So click that, download. Okay, extract it. Now, some of the cursor here are not that good. You're gonna have to go and try and test here and there. See which one works best for you, which one you like. I'm gonna stick with macOS cursor for now. Alright, thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.